Okay, seem to have the platform working, at least to some degree. It's just not being used in so long. I've charged all the batteries up and I've plugged the mains into it, and possibly it needs the mains supply on it when you're using it. It may even run off the main supply, but I wouldn't have known that without plugging it in and trying it. But I've put it to, there's the on position there, on, and then these are the three controls. That's rotate left and right. This is the top boom, which is the one up there, and this is the lower boom as it shows there. So operating that, pushing it upwards, will raise the boom. You can see the hydraulic going up there, up into the trees, and back down again. Now the lower boom, I've had some issues with the lower one. Seem to have some problems getting it to start moving, so I've had to use a lever to get it to start shifting. Now it could be that I've just got to grease up the hinges, you know, at all the points. There are grease nipples on them, so but there's the lower boom. You can see it's operating and it's raising the cradle, but it works slower. Well, both of them work slower in the up position than they do in the down, for obvious reasons. It also does move left and right, although it needs a little bit of work on that. But one direction it moves easier than in the other direction, but with a little bit of use that'll free off. It just wants some manipulating. So that one there operates the lower boom there. And up she goes. The other issue I've got at the moment is the control box in the cradle isn't operating it, so the control box needs going through to make sure that it's operating correct. Yeah. Got spirit levels on the thing, which are in a few points to check that it's level before you use it. Suppose you're supposed to jack the weight of the wheels off, actually. Off the tyres. So I should wind the legs probably down lower so that the weight's taken off the tyre. Yeah, anyway, just playing around with it. Gonna have to do some greasing on various points and sort it out.